Are you tired of feeling sluggish and out of shape? It's time to take control of your body and train it to be the best it can be. Strength training is crucial for building muscle and burning fat. Incorporating weightlifting into your routine can help boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. Not only that, it's also important to include flexibility and balance exercises like yoga to prevent injuries and improve your overall fitness. Cardiovascular exercise is also important for maintaining a healthy heart and lungs. Whether it's running, cycling, or swimming, finding an activity you enjoy can help you stick to a regular exercise routine. Setting goals and tracking your progress are key to staying motivated and seeing results. Take measurements and keep a journal to help you stay on track and celebrate your accomplishments. Remember, training your body is a journey, not a destination. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve the results you're looking for. So, lace up your shoes, and let's get started.